This map, we should be there in about 63 more miles.
Oh, good, we're over halfway there.
Hey, the hamster's running faster.
Yeah, come on, Fat Santa. I don't understand why we're not getting any power to... Oh my gosh, look, 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 look.
Yay, we made electricity. Go, robot, he's alive.
Yeah.
Ladies, I hate to rain on your parade, but I think it's raining on your parade.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, it is raining. Hey, Kat, I think I brought an umbrella. Do you see it back there?
No, not really.
Hey, baby.
I am furious!
Oh. Well, yeah, you should call your mom.
I put this stupid chicken in the oven 3 hours ago and it's still not cooked.
Okay, couple of things. You didn't turn the oven on. This is a turkey. And, yeah, it's frozen.
Well, what am I supposed to feed back?
Does he like turkey sickles?
Dad!
Look, I'm gonna go in the garage and run on the treadmill.
No, you gotta help me cook the turkey.
Sorry, I can't hear you over the music, even though this isn't playing yet.